first up, I'm going to use the Pop Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take the gray, and I'm just going to kind of use that as a transition shade. Sorry, I just poked myself in the eye. I'm using these shadow pads just so I don't make a huge mess because I'm not sure of the fallout. Then I'm going to take that deep purple with like a smudge brush, and I'm just going to stamp it onto the outer corner of my eyelids, and I'm not going to be too precise with it because I'm going to end up blending it all together. And then I'm just using a little tiny fluffy brush, and this is like a baby one, and I'm still going to focus it on the outer corner, and then I'm going to lightly start bringing that into the inner corner. Then I'm going to take this red lipstick from Pop Beauty, and I'm going to list all the details below for you guys because I'm not sure of the names, but this is really pretty. It's like a nice metallic shade, so it's perfect for underneath all of that glitter. And I'm going to kind of do a little bit of a cut crease, but I really want the red glitter to pop, so that's kind of why I'm using this lipstick underneath. And it's actually a really nice, soft, thin type of lipstick, so it didn't feel heavy or weird on my eye. And then I'm just going to carve it out with a little baby flat brush. And then you're going to see me pick up the red glitter from the same palette, and I'm just going to push that into that red lipstick. And it's perfect because that red lipstick is a little bit tacky, so it allows that glitter to really like pop through and shine, and you're going to see every single glitter that is in that palette. So it just looks really, really pretty. And then what you're going to see me do is you're going to see me take a little bit of this pop glitter. This is like just like a glitter, and I guess it's silver, but I'll link it below. And I'm just going to push that into more of the inner corner to just really brighten up my eyes, because I do want this look to be really bright, but I don't want the red and the purple to just kind of close off the eye, so that silver kind of brightens back up. Then I'm going to do a cat eye with their liquid liner, and if you use one of these shadow sheets, it just makes life so much easier. You don't have to worry about anything messing up. Then I'm just going to throw on some lashes. Here I'm using the Pop Beauty. This is their primer. I've used this before. I really like this primer. It feels like lotion going on the skin. Then I'm using their 24 karat base face spray, and it actually felt really, really nice. I would wear that without any makeup. It just felt nice and hydrating. Then I'm going to use their foundation, and I didn't realize it came out really, really fast. That's why you saw me make that crazy face. I wasn't ready for it. And I'm just going to spread it all over my face. I sped this part up because I feel like I've done foundation usually pretty much the same, you know, always. Whoops, got it on my shirt. I'm a hot mess. Still have that nice scar on my neck from my burn. I'm falling apart, people. Then I'm going to take this same foundation, and it's just in a deeper color, and this is going to carve out my contour, and it looks, whoa, heavy-handed. Like, I used way more than I needed. So I had to blend this for a good 15 minutes, so next time I'll definitely use way less, but the color and the shade turned out absolutely beautiful. It was just perfect. It looked like a bit much at first, but once I toned it down and blended, life was good. So I'm just going to push this in my skin with a little beauty blender to give it that airbrushed effect. Then I'm going to take their powder, and I'm just going to take the lighter powder, and I'm going to set that where I have all the lighter foundation. I didn't even use concealer, which is amazing because I feel like my skin just looks very photoshopped, and I'm really happy about it. And then I'm just going to set the rest of my face with a little bit deeper of a powder, and it's the same powder. It's by Pop Beauty. See, it's just a little tiny bit darker, and I'm just going to set where I put the deeper shade. And you could tell it's not too deep. You thought, I bet, when you saw the second foundation go on, you were like, bitch, you're looking orange. But then this kind of tones it down, and everything just works together when you blend. You just got to remember to blend, I'm telling you. Then take a little bit of the Pop Beauty setting spray, let that sit. I always spray setting spray before I do highlighters. These two are amazing. It's Stellar Light and Celestial. This is my new favorite highlight of life right now. It just looks so pretty on the skin. It's so pigmented. Hello, Sophia. So pigmented, so beautiful. I just felt so glowy. Go a little bit overboard with the highlight, but why not? This is kind of like a New Year's Eve look, so I'm doing it up, you know what I'm saying? I'm feeling good about it, putting it down my nose. I'm doing that Instagram highlight to the gods, looking like a stripper, and I love every second of it. Then I'm going to take this red matte color, and I'm just going to sweep that underneath my lash line just so that everything kind of comes together. And then I'm going to throw on a little Pop Beauty mascara. I just didn't even add that because I feel like watching people put mascara on is kind of boring. And then this is my two new favorite nude like lipstick ever, and I'll link it below because I can't think of it off the top of my head because my baby's sitting on me literally pulling my hair. So first I'm going to use the matte lipstick, and then I'm going to smudge it with my fingers, and then I'm going to layer over top the matte lipstick. This is the most comfortable duo together, and not only that, it looks so pretty and perfect. It's like the perfect nude pink. I love it. I love it. Do you guys love it? I'm so happy with this look. I love it so much. So I hope you guys like it. Happy holidays, and if you guys haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you soon. Bye.